y'all, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to part 2 of my Halloween decorate with me series. I hesitated because I was going to say clean and decorate with me series, but if you missed my first episode to this series, I emphasized that I was calling it a decorate with me series because I am not cleaning in these videos. When I filmed these, I was preparing to go on a week-long vacation to Disney World, so I decided to just do the cleaning off camera because I could do it so much faster that way. So like I said in my first one, if you notice any messes in the background, any spills, any splatters, lots of toys, lots of kids, it's all there. Just overlook it for these videos because this is a decorate with me video, not a clean with me video. So now that we have covered that, I'm actually doing this voiceover and putting this video together after I've gotten home from vacation, and my voice is a little bit weird. I'm like, all of us have this kind of weird kind of congestion and stuffiness, and I don't know, something going on. We're not sick. I think maybe we had some kind of allergies to Florida, or maybe the AC unit in our resort hotel room or something was just bothering everybody. But so excuse my voice sounding a little bit raspy, a little bit raspier than usual anyway. But yeah, I'm trying to think where I was going with this intro because it just got really long and winded trying to think out loud as I record. But like I said, this is part 2 to my Halloween Decorate With Me series. If you're new, I will link part 1 up in the upper left hand corner right here, as well as in the description box below. Part 1 was me putting up our Halloween tree, which you can see off to the side here a little bit. It's really cool. I don't know anybody else who does a Halloween tree, so definitely check it out. Me and the kids love it. We've been doing it for about 3 years now, so it's a tradition around here. But today we're just going to finish decorating my living room area, or the portions of it that I do, which is pretty much just right here by the TV. I don't go all out since the tree is such a big statement. And then I'm going to do a little bit in the kitchen, mainly just some little like utensil or accent type pieces, as well as just a little thing on the center of my dining room table. And then I'm going to do a little bit out on my balcony and my around my door. And this is not glamorous decor pieces, y'all. This is like Dollar Tree hand-me-down things I've had for 100 years pieces because I do have a bunch of kids, and you know, right now we don't have a yard. If you're new here, we're a family of 7 actually living in an apartment, so space is limited, and with our outdoor stuff, like, not a lot of people see it. So I do not spend a lot of money right now on decorations, especially for like Halloween. I love Halloween, but it's such a limited time. So I always say, if you're not new on my channel, I always say that this is not a Pinterest YouTube channel. This is a real life YouTube channel. I have a bunch of kids. They help me in my videos most of the time, so they're kind of all over the place. This video is a little bit all over the place, but I try to keep things fun and realistic and inspirational for just everyday people like me. And especially for people who are maybe dealing with a small space, because it can be super frustrating, but you can still definitely make the best of it and make everything fun and festive and cute for the holidays, as well as just organized and functional on an everyday basis. But I hope that y'all will stick around. If you're new, please subscribe. It helps me out so much because I'm actually really new to YouTube myself. And also give this video a thumbs up and check out all of my other videos. I would greatly appreciate it. But this intro got super long. That's okay though. I try to chat with y'all in my videos as much as possible without it being super annoying. But let's go ahead and jump into this video. I tried to do all of the kind of boring stuff, just pulling things out of tubs and clearing away some of the fall decor while I was doing this voiceover. So now we're going to get into some of the more exciting things, like actually decorating. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some spooky music, and I'll be back in a few minutes to chat some more. I just wanted to take a quick minute to mention that some of the things that I'm putting out during this clip, like specifically around my TV stand area, it's gonna look a little bit different at the end when I do like the nighttime overview, because I ended up like changing my mind on a couple of things and like repurposing those. And then also I ended up ordering a garland for under my TV that was actually Halloween and not just the natural pumpkins. And that came in after I filmed this, and I forgot that I had bats to put on my wall, so I added those after I got home from vacation. So it's good. I just didn't want it to not match up and not mention why it didn't match up, but definitely stick around to the end, because not only will you get to see how it actually turned out, and I love how it turned out. It turned out really cute, but also, of course, everything looks so much cuter and cooler at night when it's all lit up and it's dark in the room. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about that real quick. I have been on YouTube for a little over a month now, and I think this is the first time that my teenage son has actually made it into a video. I always say that I have 5 kids, and I've been waiting for somebody to be like, where's the 5th one? Because everybody always sees my little ones, but my oldest is 16. His name's Caleb. He's off to the side there, and he was actually helping me on this day because this inflatable Frankenstein was his. It is his. It's been his since he was just a little guy, and we had to do surgery on him on this day. He was not standing up, so my son brought him inside and got some tools and fixed them all up, and there he goes. He is standing up. Well, let's see. He is standing up. It's happening. It's just not happening as I'm saying it like I thought that it was. There he goes. Okay. So Frank is standing up. He's fixed, and my son was so happy. He says that he wants to keep this thing until like forever. Like when he says when he has his own place, he's going to have it out on his porch during Halloween, because he just can't remember a time when Frank wasn't on our porch, or in this case on our balcony. But anyway, I just wanted to talk about that because I thought it was a cute little story. And also, like I said, I do have 5 kids, and there's proof. Alright y'all, this is going to wrap up today's video. I hope that you will give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. I would greatly appreciate it. Definitely leave me a comment if you stopped by. I love getting to know everybody, and it helps me out so much since, like I said, I am very new to YouTube. And also, I hope that you will subscribe because I do have so much more fun Halloween and fall content coming up. I'm going to be releasing part 3 to my Halloween Decorate With Me on Wednesday. I have also got a fair video coming up. We went to our local fair and got lots of cute footage from that, as well as lots of footage from our Disney vacation, and that includes lots of Halloween footage because we went to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, and that was so much fun. So I can't wait to share that with y'all. If you're a Hocus Pocus fan, you definitely want to stick around because it was such an amazing experience, and like I said, I definitely want to share it with y'all. So thanks so much for stopping by. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up. Please check out my previous videos and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.